just in case I forget who I am, I'm wearing this, I think. But this has got a nice little device which a friend Stephen Harvey gave me about 30 years ago. Look at this. Turn it like that to there, and then back again to there. It's a very small movement from the word toys to Tim. Extraordinary how easy it is to do. And he gave it to me a long time ago. This is the guy who made me the 6-arm costume, Steve Harvey from New Zealand, a lovely guy. But I do like that very much indeed. I feel as though I'm identified now, like the military do. Captain Tim in charge here. Yes. There's a few very nice designs which I keep coming across and thinking, wow. So here's another one which I've came across. I've never seen this before or since. It looks like an ordinary greeting card. But what's this bit here? And what's this crown doing? Well, the answer is you put that on the front like that, and you pull the card from here downwards like this, and you realise that the penguin is now becoming a king penguin because he's now been crowned. And of course, that's where you actually write your greeting. You could put it on the back of the card up here, but it's actually a nice idea to have it there. And when you finish writing, you can conceal it as if you're folding the card by pulling it up and pushing that to the front. And he's now been uncrowned. What a lovely concept. Never seen it before or since. Have you? Extraordinary. I've got to see where it comes from. Aesop. Monaco, probably Japanese, I would think. My favourite item, I think, which I've known for years, is this one here, which a friend gave me. It's a key fob, and it's using this very, very ingenious gripping method, which is a bit like a chuck and a drill, where there's three things grip the drill piece and stop it from turning. This one has to grip this and stop this hawser from coming out. It's used, I think, in yachts as well. To release it, I mean, this takes tremendous tension, much more than the key. That would probably take half a ton, that joint there. But when you push gently against a soft spring, just pushing like that, it just pops out like that. It's absolutely brilliant. That is being grasped inside by three tiny little chuck-like bits of metal, which are, as they're being pulled forward, they're being forced together more and more and grip very, very tightly indeed on it. I've seen versions of this which just have an ordinary screw thread version, which are nothing like as interesting, whereas this one, put it in, and that is as strong a grip as you can have. The other one's coming out again because the wires are coming loose. But that's an amazing effect. And Brookster, I think it was, of America, made this about 20 years ago. I've never seen it since, but I keep thinking sometime I'm going to get hold of another of these because it's such an ingenious use of this very clever, very, very clever grasping of a steel wire hawser. Here's an interesting idea for a traveling coat hanger or shirt hanger, because the pieces will look all flipsy-flopsy like that. But actually, this one here is actually wider than the other one, and it's a sleeve. So when I push it down and it bridges that gap, there is a perfectly good functioning jacket or shirt hanger. And you just have to undo that piece here like that to get to the chain at the end, and then it will fold back into that shape as well. So that's a nice, it's nice one of those sort of soft rubber materials I like very much. I like the feel of it too. So a clever design for that one. And then a wonderful one which I've forgotten about, which is the old calculator with slow moving action. This is just superb. This is quite the nicest one I've ever seen, I think. It's got a calculator inside, but I'll do it two ways just to show the method. Push this first of all like this. Slow movement. Isn't that beautiful? Now, if I do it a second time, and it's got all the stuff there, you need. Close it and close it, and from the side view, it's equally impressive, I think. Here we go. I love this bit at the back which leans. It's very, very elegant indeed. For some reason or other, just to look at the dial there, it's got time. It's got all the time zones around the world, which is a bizarre idea. Actually, I'm not sure I'd ever use those. And what the music's for, I can't think. But there we are. So it's got lots of things I've still got to explore. It's got just two little batteries inside at the back, but that slow-moving action with this bit coming back to form a lead-in is just so elegant. I think that's just wonderful. I think that's quite the best thing I've ever seen amongst these calculators. Have a go at yourself looking for these particular type of machines, because I say the slow action one, like the pens we did, are a very, very watchable and very enjoyable thing to demonstrate to people, as well as being functional as well, and that's what that is. So I think it's just beautiful. Very nice. Ace.